everybody, how's your day going so far? Is everything okay with you all?
Please don't hurt us. We promise we're not trying to bother you at all.
We're just ordinary farm animals, really. We're not looking for any kind of trouble.
I'm really sorry I scared you. I honestly just wanted to make some new friends. How about this? Why don't we all play a fun game together instead?
One, two, three, four.
I'll be the one who comes to find every single one of you. That could be really fun. Come on, let's go explore outside together and see what cool things we can discover.
A few moments later.
It's really hard trying to find where you all are hiding. This is tougher than I thought. Wait a second. I just came up with a really good idea we could try.
Could you all please help me out a little bit? I really need your help right now.
Oh no, it looks like the gorilla might be in some kind of trouble.
Please, can somebody help me? I really need you right now.
I'm coming to help you, buddy. Just hang on and don't worry.
Can somebody help me? I really need you right now.
What in the world happened to you? Are you okay?
What?
I was actually just playing a little trick so I could bring everyone together.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Why are the fruits shining?
What?
Oh, these are some magical fruits.
What happened, Sheepy?
I feel hungry, dude.
Let's go outside for food.
Huh?
I have an idea. Let's test these fruits on this sheep. It's gonna be funny.
What?
This time, I won't let it go.
A few minutes later.
What?
What's happening to this sheep?
What? No way!
So it was your plan, you idiot. All of you, go into the pond.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
All right, kids are playing. Perfect time for me to go stretch my legs.
Yeah, Mom just dipped outside. Hey guys, get over here.
Okay. Go, go, go!
Mom's gone. We are totally free to roam around. Woohoo! Yeah, let's go see some sights. Adventure time. What? I'm in. Let's hit it.
I'm so hungry. Can't find
find a single thing to eat. Looks like I got some lucky colored chicks for dinner.
What?
Time to grab some more.
Hey guys, 2 are missing. Where'd they go? Oh no, I think they got snatched, like totally stolen. If Mom finds out about this, she's gonna cluck us into next week. We are so dead.
Hey kids, what in the coop are you doing out here? And where are the other 2?
Mom, they just got missing.
Don't you worry, sweetie. I'll find them.
What?
Yo, dude.
What's up?
Wanna kick around the old football?
Bet, but where's the ball?
No sweat, I got it. I'll go snag it.
Where the heck did you get that?
Just borrowed it from inside. All right. Your turn.
Dude, I swear, I don't know. I didn't do it.
Oh shit!
No way!
Oh, you think you can just run, huh? We'll see about that. You always end up back here, sleeping in my spot.
Nah, don't even worry about it. Hit the like button and subscribe.
Man, my stomach's growling. We seriously need to search for some grub.
Sniff, sniff. Hey, I think I smell something near to us. Something we can eat.
All right, little one. Mama's just stepping out for a sec. Be back faster.
Hey, Rocky buddy, what's the plan for today?
Yeah, let's go cruise around the lake and come back. Sounds good? Oh no, hold up. Nobody is going anywhere. You guys gotta take care of my little egg while I'm gone. Well, dang. Not today, I guess. Okay, let's plan for another day, buddy.
Yeah, all right. We go on that trip next time then.
All right, buddy. What happened? You looking antsy.
Whoa! See there? 2 shelters. Let's check that for any food. Come on! Let's move, buddy, to check it out.
Okay, all right, let's go for it.
Run!
What?
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Man, what a sweet-ass day, am I right?
Whatever.
What the hell did I ever do to you, you clucking moron?
Peep these beauties. Check out my eggs, yo. Eh?
Oh yeah? Well, feast your eyes on this. I got a whole damn clutch of them.
What?
What?
Doesn't that just look baller?
Ugh, what a total drag.
All right, I'm out of here. Let's go take a dip, my dude. left-brained hand totally jacked my egg, I'm calling it. Where the cluck is my egg?
What? Beats me, dude.
Knock it off, you feathery freak.
All right. Let's take a gander. Come over here and eyeball this.
Wait a minute, there's only 2 here. My little dude! Alright, time to ditch this joint.